Hey everyone, want to make your Facebook shop photos look clean, clear, and click worthy? Use AI image enhancers, and here's how. First, before uploading, run your photo through a free AI enhancer like Remini, Adobe, and more. These tools sharpen blurry images and auto-fix lighting in seconds. Then use AI background remover tools like Clean Up and more, and a clean white background increases trust and helps your product stand out. Then, here, upload to Facebook Shop. Go to the Meta Business Suite app and tap Commerce, then add or edit your product. Upload your enhanced photo and boom, your shop looks more professional. And that's your real story today. AI tools can boost clicks and sales without extra cost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.